nama saya Adisti Dwi Syifa dari absen 1 berperan sebagai Susan.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Alzena Kalesya Avanti, absen 4 berperan sebagai Nida.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Naira Zawa Agustin dari absen 27 berperan sebagai Kayla.
Hi Susan and Kayla, what do you remember about your favorite fantasy story when you were teenager?
Well, there were so many interesting fantasy stories. I used to love reading about magical adventures.
Yeah, they were so amazing. I think I still have some of those books at home.
Wow, just great! What's your favorite fantasy story, Susan?
You know, I was so obsessed with the Enchanted Forest. It was all about the group of kids who stumbled upon a magical forest filled with talking animals, and they had to solve riddles to find their way back home.
Oh, I remember that story. I loved this wise old owl character who was so mysterious.
What about you? What's your favorite fantasy story, Kayla?
Well, mine was The Lost Kingdom. It was about a young prince who had embarked on a quest to find his kingdom, which had dispersed into thin air, so magical creatures and faces all kinds of challenges.
Oh, I also remember that amazing fantasy story. I think that prince was so brave.
The stories were so amazing. My favorite was The Dragon Secret. It followed a young girl who discovered a dragon egg and had to protect it from evil sorcerer. The bond between the girl and the dragon was so heartwarming.
I really love how those stories always had a mix of magic, adventure, and friendship. They made our childhood and teenagers so enchanting.
Yes, of course, those fantasy stories spark our imagination and made of us dream of fantastical adventures.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.